How to create and manage reseller plans in Plesk. A service plan is a set of services and resources offered to hosting customers. Typically, the resources include disk space on the server and bandwidth for hosting websites, and the servers include web hosting, mail hosting, etc. Similar to hosting plans, reseller plans place limits on what your resellers can do and the resources they and their customers can use. Let's see how to add a new reseller plan. Go to Service Plans, then Reseller Plans. Add a new plan by clicking this icon. Enter a name for the new reseller plan. The overuse policy defines what happens if the reseller's usage of disk space and traffic reaches the specified limits. Disallowing overuse will block overuse of resources. If a reseller goes over its allowed limit, it will only be suspended if you choose this box. You can also choose to allow overuse. If you do this, you have the option of sending an email whenever a limit is reached, according to the server's notification settings. Similar to the overuse policy, you'll also need to set the oversell policy. The default option is to allow overselling, which means the reseller can sell more resources than what's been allocated to them by this plan. In this case, a reseller is governed by actual resource usage instead of initial resource allocation. Define the disk space and monthly traffic limit provided with the plan. Choose Unlimited for any option you want to have no limit. This is where we can set mail-related settings like the number of mailboxes and their maximum allowed size. These are miscellaneous options that control the maximum number of additional FTP accounts and total number of databases. Let's set the permissions next. Permissions define what privileges and services are provided with the subscription. Choose which privileges you want to allow. At the bottom, you can choose to allow management of the spam filter, antivirus, statistics, log rotation, and more. Go to IP addresses. Choose which shared IP addresses to allocate with this plan. You can also let resellers using this plan use up to a set number of exclusive IP addresses. Click this checkbox to do that. Click OK to create the new plan. That's it! The new reseller plan has been created. To change any of the plan options you've just seen, click a plan's name. To view a list of all reseller subscriptions using certain plans, use these links. To remove one or more plans, click the checkboxes next to the plans and then click the Remove link here. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to create and manage reseller plans in Plesk.